Good evening, children. I hope everyone are doing fine. Let us continue with the chapter The Structure of an Atom. So children, in our previous chapter, we have learnt about Dalton's atomic theory. So it was about Dalton's atomic theory, right? Yes. So what Dalton's atomic theory says is that the atoms are indivisible. He said that atoms are indivisible and indestructible, right? In chapter 3. So but the discovery of two fundamental particles, that is electron and proton. So electron and proton, so inside the atom, led to the failure of this aspect, which was proposed by Dalton. Okay, so it was then considered necessary to know how electrons as well as protons, are arranged within an atom. Okay, for example, for explaining this concept, many scientists proposed various models. For example, J.J. Thomson. Okay, so you know already who discovered electron. It was J.J. Thomson was the first one to propose a model of structure of an atom. So he was the person who proposed the theory or proposed the model of structure of atom. Okay, so first we shall be studying about Thomson's model of an atom. Okay, we shall look into this concept first, that is Thomson model of an atom. So Thomson proposed the model of an atom which is very similar to Christmas pudding. Okay, so here Christmas pudding is taken as an imaginary example. Okay, the electron in a sphere of positive charge were like a dry fruits. Okay, so in a spherical Christmas pudding, so here the positive charge is just like a dry fruits. Okay, you might have seen Christmas pudding, right? So we can also think of watermelon. Okay, we can also think of watermelon. So you know the edible part is red color and the seeds are black in color. So here we can take the example of watermelon also. Positive charge in an atom is spread all over the fruit, that we can say it as red color, edible part of the watermelon. While the electrons are the seeds. Okay, so electrons are the seeds and the edible part is a proton which is spread throughout the fruit, and black color seeds we shall consider as a electron. Okay, seeds in case of watermelon are considered to be electron. So here J.J. Thomson, he proposed that first point is that an atom consists of a positively charged sphere and the electrons are embedded in it. So what is saying? An atom, it consists of positively charged sphere. Overall sphere is positive charge, but electrons are embedded in it just like a watermelon. Okay, so the next point is that negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude. Okay, so equal in the magnitude. Protons are always equal in the magnitude of electron. So the atom as whole is electrically neutral. So overall atom is said to be electrically neutral. Okay, so we call it as electrically neutral. Although Thomson models explain that atoms are electrically neutral, so the result of experiments carried out by other scientists could not be explained by this model. Okay, just like this model. So if this is an atom, okay, so you can see all electrons are like seeds, like things spread throughout the proton sphere. Okay, so these are said to be electrons which are negatively charged, and this part inside is said to be positive charge. Okay, this explanation was given by J.J. Thomson. So we shall have a brief study about Thomson. So he was born in the year 1856 and died in the year 1940. He was a British physicist. Okay, so J.J. Thomson was a British scientist or physicist, we call it as, was born in a Cheetham Hill, a suburb of Manchester on 18 December 1856. So he was born in the year 18 December 1856. He was awarded Nobel Prize in the subject physics in the year 1906. Okay, so for his work on discovery of electrons, for the discovery of electrons, he was awarded Nobel Prize. So he directed the Cavendish Laboratory at Cambridge for 35 years, and 7 of his research assistants subsequently won Nobel Prizes. Okay, so this was the concept about Thomson's model of an atom. In the next video, we shall look into Rutherford's model of an atom.